Alright, it's my bike check. Start with the bars. Aaron Ross grips, Eastern bar ends and grip stops. Animal Sway bars, the Rockstar sticker. United squad forks, old front rim, purple from a stolen pinch. The Snafu knob job tire for the metal tire. I got a premium, I think, refused foldable tire coming in. Fitbico frame TRL1, the 09 edition. Stolen Thermalite seat post with the Madura pivotal seat. Colony Fantastic plastic pedals, clear black, stock cranks, shadow lighter sprocket, cheaply painted white chain because it's so crappy I break them every week. Eastern bidirectional hub and left-hand drive form. Kinda crap tire. DK park peg there. Hit up another one over there. Yeah. That's pretty much it. That's my drum set over there. That's my fish. And that's pretty much it. It's pretty pile-ish, you ask me. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys next time.
Alright, we gotta sacrifice the tree first, guys. That was nasty. Keep going.